My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the online scam related to the site trksecurescanf.com. trksecurescanf.com is a dangerous site that may target Google Chrome browser and also may affect other browsers. It basically tries to make you really scared regarding the condition of your computer in order to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. If you ever see these pop-ups by trksecurescanf.com, don't tolerate them and just leave this deceptive page. I would also recommend you to carefully examine your system with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, you will see a special green download Combo Cleaner button. Download the application, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will definitely help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could still possibly remain on your system. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.